Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know who I am, my name is Charlotte Alvarez, but you can call me Jay. So in today's video, we'll be doing this eye look. As you can see, it's a very colorful look, and I call it rainbows, obviously, because it has the color rainbows in it. Okay, so yeah, I actually really had really fun with this look. So you guys, if you want to know how I did this look, you want to try it on yourself, go ahead and keep on watching the video. And okay you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer original. And as you can see already, I already did my eyebrows on camera, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this primer to both eyelids. And go ahead and go in with this one with that big time. This palette multiple times already. This was going to be based on rainbows. So yeah, I think the Game Strong palette has just the exact colors that you would need for a rainbow look. And so yeah, this exactly has everything I need. Okay, so for the transition color, I'm going to go in with this shade right up here. And for the brush, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 441. This is a fluffy brush. This is like an angled brush, but it's like more fluffier. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with that, and go in with this and I'm going to go ahead and start this in the corner of the eye. Different brush. I'm going to go in with this brush that has no name, but it's like also another fluffy brush, and going in with this and with a different brush, another fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this other white brush, but this is a Kylie brush, and with that I'm gonna go in with this shade of purple right here. Make it a little more darker. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade of purple. Now with that concealer that I use, we're going to go ahead and this is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation Concealer. NYX glitter primer. Put some of that on there. Alright, and for eyeliner, we're going to go in with the Maybelline Master Precise Oil Liner. So, starting with the lashes at the end and going back in with that James Charles palette, we're going to go ahead and use some different brushes. So for the inner corner of the eye, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this yellow right here, and I'm going to go in with the Morphe 456 and get that inside the inner corner of the eye. With a different brush, and this is the Morphe M433. We're going to go in with this orange color. That should be good enough. And for last, we're going to go in with the Morphe R39, and we're going to go in with this red shade right here. Go back in with that button. Okay, now for lashes. Okay, for foundation, we're gonna go back in with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer, and this is in the shade 5.5. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ecure, I'm guessing. So yeah, we're gonna go in with that. And for a brush, we're going to go in with the Morphe brush. Does not have a name because it's in a collection, holiday collection. So we're going to go in with this brush. And concealer, we're going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfection Foundation plus concealer, and you can use this early to put the crease. And this is in the shade CN2. And for the powder to set the concealer, we're going to go in with the Air Spun. So concealer, not concealer, contour. We're going in with this cream. We're going to go ahead and go in with the Morphe 405. I'm just going to little beauty blender and that is in rouge. Alright, getting a fluffy brush, big brush, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Morphe 527 and dust all of this. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back with that Air Spun. Go back in with that brush that we blowout brush. Alright, and then go in with the Morphe 348. Then go in with this shade right here to bronze. I gotta contour it on. So, brush. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 433 and alright. Going back in with this fluffy brush and dusting this off. Alright, and for blush, Spirit. Okay. So we're going to go in with this little cute brush right here. And with the Morphe E48, we're going to go in with the highlight palette. This is the Morphe Babe in Paradise. Haven't used it in like a while, so we're gonna go ahead and use it today, and this is how it looks like. And we're gonna go in with this highlight. That one, these two actually. Go ahead and do both. And now going back in with the June Charlotte palette, we're going to go ahead and to the under eyes. So, yeah, go back. Go ahead. Around the other eye. Let me go back in with that orange. That should be good enough. And we're going to go ahead and under the eyes, the mascara. Let's try the Maybelline one, and then in the shade I was on. Cover that. last but not least, we're gonna go in with this Smashbox Photo Finish So Chill Coconut. So yeah, you guys, okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys love this look because I did, and this is my first time actually doing it. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look, as you can see. Okay, so if you guys love this look, don't forget to like it, don't forget to add some comments below, okay? And so yeah, this is it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.